navigating together, understanding, be in the same boat. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English expression, be in the same boat. This phrase is widely used in both formal and informal conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can significantly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's set sail together and explore this expression in depth. The phrase, be in the same boat, is an idiom that means to be in the same situation or to face the same challenges or difficulties as someone else. It originates from the idea that if people are in the same boat, they would face the same risks and outcomes together, whether good or bad. This expression emphasizes shared experiences or circumstances, especially when those circumstances are challenging. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us grasp their meanings more fully. The phrase, be in the same boat, is believed to have nautical origins, dating back to a time when sea travel was common. When passengers or crew are on the same vessel, they share the same fate. If the boat faces trouble, everyone on it is affected equally. This concept easily translates to sharing similar situations in life, work, or any other context. To get a better grasp of how to use be in the same boat, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, after the budget cuts, we're all in the same boat, trying to do more with less. In school, all of us haven't finished our project yet. We're in the same boat. In personal relationships, I understand how you feel about moving to a new city. I'm in the same boat. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts to express empathy, solidarity, or shared challenges. 1. Empathy and solidarity. Use this phrase to express understanding and solidarity with someone else's situation. 2. Various contexts. Remember, be in the same boat can be used in both formal and informal settings. 3. Avoid overuse. While it's a helpful expression, using it too frequently can lessen its impact. Choose the right moments for emphasis. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning, origins, and uses of the phrase, be in the same boat. Remember, learning idioms like this one is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's also about deepening your ability to express empathy and connect with others through language. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to navigating through more English language learning adventures with you.